Guys, we're here at Target, and it looks like they got the Ultra Hots, they got the Civics, and the Silvia, guys. I don't really like any other model from here. These are nice. I don't have these, so I'm glad I'm able to find these, guys. Nothing on the Matchbox. It looks like. Whoa. This is kind of cool, but I don't like that color. That's all they took out. Looks like they all got D cases yesterday. I missed them, but it ain't no big deal. This is a pretty nice find, guys. Alright, I'm gonna head to some more, see if I find anything.
What is up, guys? It is your boy Gucci Man. Welcome back to another review video, guys. Today I have some Ultra Hots to review for you guys. I have the Honda Civic Si and the Nissan Silvia Drift S14 Drift, and these are from the 2023 Ultra Hot set, guys. These are still barely hitting my area. My area still had the previous set, but these recently hit, and I was able to get the two that I wanted, and the two that everybody wants, of course, the Honda Civic Si and the Silvia. I have some pretty cool models as well, but I'm just not a fan of them. One that I do regret not picking up was the Shelby GT500, but I'm pretty sure I'll be finding it later on. They also have the Pontiac, the Chevy, the Volkswagen, and the Brazilian Dodge Charger, and the Mercury Cougar, which was a super back in the day, which I have right here. Look at this. Such a beauty, guys. The Super Cougar. Sorry, I just had to show that one off a bit. Put it back in the safe in here. But yeah, guys, I was able to find these two. That's pretty much all I have found. But let's get right into the review. First, we have the Honda Civic. And that beautiful blue color, guys. Look at that. It's like almost like a midnight blue color. And it's just freaking awesome looking, guys. Of course, we have the yellow and white. Almost like, I don't want to... I guess you can call it lightning. No. I don't know. Some flashes on the side. Looks super, super cool, guys. I really like this paint job on this one. Got the wheels in here. They look pretty alright. Nice and chrome. Got the base over here. Oh, look at that from the front, guys. The vented hood. Oh man, this just looks clean. I'm not gonna open these, guys. I don't really open my Hot Wheels up like that. But yeah, as you can see in the front, has the headlight details, that Honda logo. Super, super cool, guys. Let me see the back right here. The headlights, of course. I mean the tail lights. Has the Civic right there. There says Civic. The license plate action as well. Look at that tail right there, guys. Wow. Honestly, looking at this one close, I mean, I already knew I liked it, but looking at it closely, guys, that color just really, really pops. Wow. Always cool to see a Honda on the sets, man. Look at that. See the roof right there. The cards look nice as always. Super, super clean. Alrighty, guys, and these are, I think these are $2.99. I don't remember if that's a markup price. I remember them being like $2.47 or something. Now they're $2.99, $3 a piece. And then we have, of course, the Nissan Silvia S14 Drift. Nice, guys. Look at that. Again, that purple, guys. I mean, all of these will have special paint, of course. I really like the paint job. Like I said, the Shelby, I should have grabbed that one. That one looks clean. But this one, guys, amazing color. That purple really makes it pop. Of course, the drift card, the bumper right there. Nice chrome. I really like the chrome. Of course, they still added the headlights on this one. Again, those flashes on the side, it just gives it a nice color. It's a loud color, but I don't know, it works. For this car, it works really like the the chromes right there, guys. Look at that. The base right here. Oh, the nice chrome. Bit of a tail light action right there. That the big wing right there looks clean. The yellow tinted windows. You know what? I did the hood right there, of course. Really good job on this one, guys. Super clean. It's a bit, the color's a bit loud, but like I said, for this car it works. You know, it's a drift. It's a Nissan Silvia drift. Oh, I don't want to damage it. Super clean. Let me know what you guys' favorite car is from the set, guys. I hope you guys did enjoy that mini hunting video I included in the front where I got these. But yeah, it's just super cool to be able to get these. Like I said, guys, it's been, I mean, it's not really been dry, guys. It's just been missing a couple restocks, but wow, I try, guys. I try. So I'll be making more videos for you guys. I really do appreciate, I think we're at 70 something subscribers. I really appreciate you guys, and the feedback and the from my previous unboxing video was insane, guys, and I really appreciate that. I will be making more unboxing videos like that. I do have some new boxes coming in, so stay looking for those other types of videos as well, guys. But yeah, these are the Ultra Hots, and yeah, guys, happy hunting, and see you guys in the next one. Smash the subscribe button, guys. We have a lot of more content coming.